Using the latest technologies and aerodynamic principles, we have created optimized size grain cleaners with increased productivity and superior separation quality. How does Metra outperform the much bulkier grain cleaner copies available on the market? For each model size, we make precise calculation of the falling grain's trajectory, derived from 3 parameters: volume of air being pumped, static pressure, and dynamic pressure. Each unique model of Metra ADS cleaner is individually constructed with an according straight flow axial motor, propeller, flow straightener, and a set of nozzles. All specs are based on the fundamental aerodynamic principle. This allows us to achieve a variety of performance goals using just one cleaner. With the extended height in our separation chamber, grain flies further and is suspended in the air longer. This directs the grain into correct discharge chutes with a maximum level of precision and a higher quality separation. The nozzle clearance and configuration are selected individually for each model. This enables the airflow generated by the nozzles first to break the grain layer evenly and then to perform accurate grading. The Metra unique technical features and design exclude the main disadvantages found in larger, bulkier copies, such as improper geometry of the power unit, higher power consumption, and inefficiency of space and overall function. Metra grain cleaners are free of airflow swirling that adversely affects the cleaning quality. Copy makers increase the width of the machine body in effort to increase production volume. The disadvantage of this design is that due to the excessive width of the separating chamber, different air velocities occur at the edges and in the center, which leads to incorrect sorting of the grain. Especially when separating complex crops, such as small seeds, grass seeds, vegetables, and other small crops. The feeding layer is too thin, which also negatively affects the separation quality. When falling, the grain particles collide with one another and sail in a wrong trajectory. As a result, the grain flies with an offset along the wrong path, which breaks the quality of sorting. The replica grain cleaners are designed without nozzles, which inhibits them from sorting irregularly shaped particles, such as corn, lentils, sunflower, melon seeds, including pumpkin, alfalfa, and mustard seeds. Accordingly, larger housing width requires more powerful motors, or a greater number of them, to attain the appropriate static pressure. Also, this leads to higher power consumption. When the power unit is positioned in an inclined plane, it increases the wear and tear on electric motors and significantly decreases their service life. Due to the lack of nozzles, vortex paths with specifically required air pressure cannot be generated. Further, the disadvantages of replica cleaners include higher production costs, more powerful and greater number of engines, high transportation costs due to larger dimensions and weight, only partial use of stainless steel, which does not improve the performance of the grain cleaner. To meet sterility requirements, the machine must be made entirely of stainless steel. Since the replica cleaner is made of ordinary metal, the sterility feature cannot be claimed. Metra grain cleaners are made exclusively with certified materials and patented in the US and Canada.